Welcome! In this video, I will be walking you through the steps on how to decorate a Google slide, which can be a lot of fun. First, you're going to open a Google Chrome tab and make sure you're signed in to your Gmail account. Click on the 9-dot waffle in the right-hand corner of your screen and choose Google Slides. Open up a blank presentation by pressing the plus sign. Google Slides saves automatically. Decorate your slide. You can do this by using the features in Google Slides. Change the slide layout to blank by right-clicking the slide, hovering over Choose Layout, and selecting blank. Change the background by right-clicking the slide, hovering over Change Background, selecting the color you want, and then choosing the Done button. Add shapes by selecting the shape icon in the menu bar. Select shapes, choose the shape you want, and then hold down the lower left of your mouse pad with your left index finger while you drag along the mouse pad with your right index finger until the shape is as big as you want it to be. You can also resize the shape once it's on your slide. Change the color of the objects on your slide by first clicking on an object in your slide. Second, selecting the fill tool in the menu bar. Third, choosing the color you want. Add text by selecting the text box icon in the menu bar. Left click, hold drag, and drop the text box icon. Change the text font size by highlighting it and then selecting the font size that you want from the menu bar. Add lines by selecting the lines icon in the menu bar. Choose the type of line you want and then draw that line on the slide with your finger on the mouse pad. You can make the line weight bigger or smaller. You can also change the line so that it has dashes in it. Insert images, audio, and or videos. So the first thing you're going to do is click Insert. You can either choose image, audio, or video. If you choose image, hover over it and then click Upload from computer. Choose an image from your computer options. The undo and redo button will be your friend throughout this process. Thanks for following along in this tutorial on how to decorate a Google slide. I hope you have a fun time being creative and enjoy your newfound skills. I am excited and look forward to seeing your finished decorated Google slides on the Virtual Book Buddies website.